Hello, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you a simple process on how to download WhatsApp on your PC. To learn doing so, watch the video till the very end. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. To download WhatsApp on your PC, the first thing you'll need to do is go to your web browser. Now on the search box, type download WhatsApp, enter. Search results, click on download WhatsApp on the first. This will take you to a page where you'll see options to download WhatsApp on your phone on the left side and your Windows on the right side. Click on download for Windows and the download will start. Wait for the download to finish. After that, open the file and click it open. Now after it is open, scan the QR code from your phone and you will be access to your WhatsApp on your PC. Well, that is all you need to do to download WhatsApp on your PC, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to comment down below. I'll be back again soon.